Let's learn ABC here in Legoland. Let's start with the letter A for apple. Oh, B for ball. C for car. D is for duck. E for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Great job, everyone! You learned your ABCs from A to Z. Thank you for joining us here in Legoland. Please like and subscribe for more learning. With Teacher Ben.